In this video, I'll show you how to use WordTune, a powerful writing tool that helps you rewrite sentences easily, improve clarity, and make your writing sound more natural. First, open your research paper or any document you want to improve. Copy the sentence or paragraph that you want to rewrite. Next, go to WordTune.com and sign in. You can also install the browser extension if you want to use WordTune on other websites. After signing in, you'll see a text box where you can paste your content. Paste the sentence you copied earlier into this box. Now, highlight the sentence and click the Rewrite button. After that, WordTune will show you different versions of the sentence. Choose the one that fits best. You can also adjust the tone, make it more casual, more formal, or choose to shorten or expand the sentence. Just note that some features require a premium plan. Finally, that's how you use WordTune to rewrite sentences quickly and effectively.